Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl. Today's video is going to be on this beautiful flat twist hairstyle. Listen, I haven't been styling my hair. I haven't been really taking care of my hair. So this is a perfect style that's going to have your hair tucked away, protected, moisturized for the week. You don't have to play in your hair. You don't have to do anything. So just my kind of style if you ask me. If you're interested, then keep on watching. Alright, so I spent about almost a year actually without getting braids last year, and then I got braids about a month ago and I got them back to back. So basically I did two cornrows style back to back, and for the past year my scalp was doing phenomenally well. Okay, I had absolutely no flakes. There was nothing on my scalp for the past year when I was doing wash and goes and at least washing my hair as frequently as I can. And then I started getting braids, and the first time around, and I know this because my mom helped me put my first set of braids in, and she was like, wow, your scalp is clear, you have no dandruff. And she calls it dandruff. I don't think I actually have dandruff. I think it's just dry scalp. My scalp was looking good, okay? That's what I'm trying to say. And then I got braids, took them out, got braids again, and then my scalp started flaking. So all that to say, we don't like to admit certain things, but I have to say when it comes to braiding my hair, at least what I've noticed is that it doesn't serve my scalp very well. And I do my braids myself, so I try to be very mindful of how tight they are. But even then, a little corner here, a little thing there sometimes can be a little too tight and you feel it. Like for example, when I did this braids right behind my ears here, it wasn't tight, but every time I put on my glasses it would hit the back of my braids and I felt like it was kind of ripping my hair out. But I guess we'll see now. So basically all I'm saying is that our scalp really does benefit from having water on it frequently. At least my scalp did, because the moment I stopped, I started getting dry scalp again. I'm trying to take these braids out in a way where I can preserve the hair, because if I do decide to braid my hair with extensions again, it's gonna be the same one, girl, because I don't have any other extensions. How am I supposed to save this? How? No. You know what? We're just not gonna use extensions, okay? We're just gonna flat twist our own hair. All right, another thing that I've noticed when it comes to protective styling, and protective styling with no oils, is that my hair doesn't dry out as much as it typically does. Like typically when you take out your braids, your hair is in rough shape, okay? We can admit it. We don't have to lie about it. But when I take out my braids, even though I've been ignoring my hair for the past 2 weeks, and let me tell you something, I did not even tie my hair down at night. My hair was all over the couch, just drying out, friction on friction, and my hair isn't that bad. Like it doesn't dry out the way that it would when it was coated with oil. So that's another thing to point out. But let me take out these braids and then I will be back. Okay, so I'm almost done, but I have a question. Okay? Do we still watch hair videos? Oh, that's a deep one. Be honest. Let me know if you are someone who's still very much interested in watching hair videos, because I don't know, I just feel like everything that could have been said about hair has been said. Even though now there's a whole new wave of education that's happening. You know, don't use oils, this is what you should do. So let me know if you still watch hair videos, and if you don't, what kind of videos do you enjoy watching? Let me know down below. I'm just curious. I want to know what y'all be doing on your free time. So leave a comment down below. We are done. My hair looks very much crazy. It's giving I need to cut the color. It's giving big chop is coming soon. It's giving a faded tapered cut. I see it. All right, so right now I am going to wash my hair, and my scalp is on fire, and it's also very flaky. I don't know if you can see it, but very flaky. And You know what? I don't know if it's because of the extension itself. You know how they say that the extensions is coated with like something that should not be in our hair, and sometimes we have a bit of a allergic reaction to the extensions. I don't know if it's that, or if it's just the fact that my hair has been braided for 2 weeks and has not seen water. Because at the end of the day, scalp is skin, and if we're not in it on a regular basis, cleansing it, washing it, taking care of it, then gonna be flaky, girl, and that's okay. You know, I know what I've done. I'm not tripping about it. So to wash my hair today though, I'm gonna use some new products. Let me grab them. So these products were gifted to me, but I'm interested because I can't even open the box. Oh, there it is. I'm interested to use them because a white man made them. Honestly, that's why. JVN, I'm not sure if you guys have heard of this line. He's like a jack of all trades. He's a comedian, actor, hairdresser, just everything. There's an embodied collection, a complete collection, and an undamaged collection. But the embodied collection is more for volume, which I don't care about. So there's a Nurture collection, which is a hydrating shampoo. I think I'm going to use this one. Shine Drops, Instant Recovery Serum. Interesting. Pre-wash Scalp Oil. Wait a minute. Oh, it's made with squalane. Okay, it's a regular oil. I'm tempted. I am so tempted. Oh, do I put it in my hair? Oh my god. I am very much tempted. Okay, so I think all I'm gonna use is the shampoo. It's funny because so many products that, you know, our white counterparts uses have a lot of oils. So, you know, I kind of feel like I'm restricting myself for no reason at this point. But anyways, we'll just use the hydrating shampoo, which looks like this. And then, interesting container. It's like a, not metal, like aluminum. What is this? Anyways. And then I'll use probably AG conditioner. Y'all must be so bored of me using AG hair care. But I have them and I have to use them. You know, I'm not going to throw it away. You guys have seen me wash my hair a million times, so we are going to skip the wash process and we'll just come back when my hair is washed. And then we'll be ready to style. Alright, hair's been washed and it is time to get into it. Today's style is going to be easy breezy. Hopefully it doesn't even take too long. Big flat twist. That's what we're going to do just to hold our hair for the next week. I don't need it to last and I don't really care if it's... Actually, I do. I want it to look cute, but I don't care if it doesn't last. Oh my god, it's been a while since I've styled my hair on camera. Wow, do I know what to do? I have some water bottle on deck. Products that we're going to be using is the Camille Rose leave-in Camille Rose gel. I recently started using this for wash and goes, but because I have humectants and stuff in it, I want to use it here. We'll use some mousse, only if needed. Only if needed. Let's put this leave-in conditioner everywhere. Oh, my hair has grown so much. Honestly, why am I still holding on to the color? I don't know. So let's get to parting. So for the parting, I'm thinking like 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe like 5 flat twists. All right, let's do the first one. Now we're gonna add a little bit of the gel. Especially on the ends. Okay, then we're gonna add a little bit of water because my hair is starting to dry out a little bit. And then I am gonna use the mousse. I didn't think I was, but I think it's gonna make my style a little sleeker. Because I mean, technically I kind of want this to look good. I want it to be minimal effort, but look good. Alright. Now let's start to flat twist. If you want a flat twisting video, I have a whole detailed video on my channel, so check that one out. Alright. First twist is done. This is gonna be fast. I can feel it. All right, next twist. So for this one, I'm gonna tip all the way over here. All right, just like that, we are done. We're gonna do the finishing touches, okay? So what I'm gonna do is tie my ends with bobby pins and then do my edges. Yes, girl, I am going to do my baby hairs. And then I'll come back when my hair is all done. Unless you wanna see me do my edges, do you? Okay, I'll show you. Edge control that I'm using is this Blueberry Bliss Girl by Curls. I have been liking it. I just find that it gives a soft hold, so hopefully it's not ripping out my edges. Oh, bobby pins. I'm not gonna use a lot of the curl edge control thing, just a tiny bit. And I'm just going to put it around my edges, just like that. Oop. And as you can see, I'm actually just using the back of the comb, or just the comb, to do this. I find that it's just much gentler on your edges that way. Once you're done, go ahead and tie down your hair. Why am I struggling with this? Why am I struggling? What's going on? Alright, let it dry, take it out, and we'll see what it looks like. There we are, final look. My hair actually feels amazing, first of all. You know, using products that are heavy in humectants, it's such a game changer. My hair is not completely dry, but it's going to take a while for it to get fully dry because of the humectants. And then that's just such a nice feeling. Just your hair being moist. All right, this is the final look. This is what my hair looks like. I like it. It's going to keep my hair nice and protected for at least a week. I do want to do my hair next week. I've been neglecting my hair for the longest time, and I need to get back into it. And I say that, but then I don't, so I make no promises. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But the goal is for me to do my hair again in about a week. All right? Thank you so much for watching today's video. Let me know if you enjoyed this style, if you want to see me do, oh no, I was gonna say if you want to see me do more styles, but I don't even know if I want to start this can of worms. Start the can of worms, yeah. open the can of worms. I don't know if I want to do that because y'all gonna be like, yes, I want to see styles. But I don't. Maybe I don't want to do it. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.